Welcome to the Ordering Digits game. This game will help the students gain a deeper understanding regarding how the value of a digit is dependent upon its position. For example, this 5 gives a value of 5, while this 4 gives a value of 40. So, now let's start a game, and we will understand the rules, the goal, and the pedagogical points as we continue. We're going to click New Move. This will be a move for the blue player. And the blue player got a displacement of 1 to the left. So, the blue player can choose a digit, and the digit will move 1 to the left. Let's see how this works. Click. So, the 2 moved 1 to the left, and it took the position of the 1, and the 1 moved in to take its position. Now, the blue player has 4 moves left. The orange player still has 5 moves left. The game ends after each of the players does 5 moves. And the player who wins is the player who has the highest number at the end. New move for the orange player. And the orange player will click this 3. And the 3 indeed moved 2 to the right. New move for the blue player. 2 to the left. So the blue player will always try to maximize the next value. So the way to do that will be to move the 3. So he has even a greater advantage now at 32,000 as opposed to still around 12,000. Orange player, 1 to the right, and he will click this number, the 4, that will move 1 to the right. Still, you might say it's a silly move because he's still way behind. Soon we will see which player made the best moves. Okay, the blue player is still trying to have his next number to be the maximum possible. In this case, he can do this by advancing the 4. Still, now he's in about 43,000. And the orange player seems way behind. Now the orange player got 2 to the left. Now let's see what happens. This 5 here will now move 2 to the left. And now everything changed. Because each of the moves of the orange player had only one goal, simply to advance the digit 5. And now the blue player might notice that he has a problem, because none of the other digits can help him at all. If his 5 doesn't reach all the way to the place of the 10,000s, he will inevitably lose. So this is how this game emphasizes what we're intending to emphasize. The value of the digits depends on their position. Many students probably will actually play like this blue player until they understand the value of the 5 and then play in a different way. Still things can change. So the blue player has displacement 2 to the right. He can click here this 2, trying to advance the 5. Or orange player, okay, 3 to the left. He can advance the 3 up here. And the blue player, well, still wasn't able to compensate for his earlier mistakes. Let's finish the game. Well, this is not a good move for the orange player. He has to click the 3, which will reduce his number, but he still wins. Okay, so this is it. This is the game, and we hope you enjoy it. Good luck in class.